May mga health and wellness concerns na hindi natin madalas pag-usapan dahil personal, sensitive, o hindi natin alam kung saan magsisimula. Kaya interesting para sa akin na may clinic dito sa Pampanga na may modern, non-invasive options para sa pelvic wellness, mental wellness, and skin concerns. This is the A.R.T clinic located at Arcadia building sa Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, behind KFC Telabastagan. Ayon sa mga owners, first in Pampanga ang ilan sa mga technologies na makikita rito. Tatlo sa services nila ang first time na ma-encounter ko. Una, EMSELLA, pelvic floor chair treatment ito. Fully clothed kang nakaupo habang gumagamit ito ng high-fem technology para pasiglahin ang pelvic floor muscles. Ayon sa clinic, 128-minute session delivers around 11,000 pelvic floor contractions. Non-invasive ito, walang needles at walang required downtime. Ako mismo ang sumubok. Unusual ang sensation sa simula dahil ramdam mo talaga ang muscle contractions, pero nakaupo ka lang the whole time.
Benefit from this, yung mga may urinary incontinence, yung mga usually as we age, parang naubo lang or na-sneeze lang, merong lumalabas na wheelie. Sa men naman, pwede siya dun sa mga may erectile dysfunction, may premature ejaculation, or yung for maintenance of erection.
Pangalawa, ExoMind. Non-invasive magnetic stimulation naman ito na ginagamit bilang physician-guided options para sa mental wellness. Under 30 minutes ang session habang nakaupo ka at suot ang headset. Dahil brain and mental health ang pinag-uusapan, mahalagang dumaan muna sa proper consultation para malaman kung appropriate ito para sa inyo.
Nakahiga or nakahiga. Kasi higa dito kasi kailangan i-measure. So kung nasan siya, nakatapat yan. Para exact yung meta-target ng part. Yung prefrontal cortex kasi, siya yung nagbibigay sa atin ng emotions. So, impulse control, yung emotion regulation natin. Kasi ang right side ng brain natin is more on the creative side, analytical side. Ito yung for emotions. Kaya yun yung
And third, Aeårolase, a medical laser used for different skin concerns tulad ng acne, uneven tone, dark marks, redness, at signs of aging. Short pulse ang ginagamit at designed itong maging gentle with minimal downtime. Ito naman ang first time na nasubukan ni Joyce.
I'm Dr. Joanne April Kapulang Indab, and this is our clinic, the A.R.T clinic. So this clinic focuses on aesthetic, regenerative, and intimate health. Ang aim namin is to make patients more beautiful, more confident, better mental health, and better sexual health. For our patients, we guarantee that we only use the best machines. So these are world-class machines. They are FDA approved. Our commitment is to give you the best treatments that are available in the market, even internationally. Please visit us here at A.R.T Clinic. We're located at Arcadia, so it's along Philem Friendship Road. It's at the back of KFC, across SM Telabastagan.
Of course, hindi pare-parehong experience o resulta ng bawat tao. Kaya ang first step ay assessment and consultation, not assumptions, at lalong hindi self-diagnosis. Pero kung curious ka sa modern wellness and skin options na available dito sa Pampanga, visit or inquire sa A.R.T Clinic located at Arcadia Building, Telabastagan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Ask questions, understand your options, and choose with professional guidance.